As a French teacher, I cannot count how many times I have heard demander une question. And when technically it is correct grammatically, with a verb followed by an article and a noun, we just never say that. In this video, we are going to see how to use the verb poser and supposer correctly in French. Poser is a regular verb and means to ask, while supposer is a reflexive verb and means to ask yourself. Before starting, don't forget to grab your free PDF of this lesson to keep and review. If you are on my mailing list, you already have the PDF in your inbox. So, how to ask a question or to ask something in French? To ask a question, we are going to use the verb poser. So, poser une question. To ask yourself a question, we are going to use se poser une question. And if you want to ask something, then we are going to use the verb demander. Demander quelque chose. The verb poser also translates to put down something, but today we are looking at it with the question aspect, so to ask. Let's look more at poser and supposer, starting with poser une question. Like I just said, demander une question is not correct in French. We say poser une question. Let's see it in a few sentences. L'élève pose une question au professeur. L'élève pose une question au professeur. In a negative sentence, il ne pose jamais de questions utiles. Il ne pose jamais de questions utiles. Oui, passé composé. J'ai posé une question, mais je n'ai pas eu de réponse. J'ai posé une question, mais je n'ai pas eu de réponse. And finally, with a question. Est-ce que tu poses des questions quand tu ne comprends pas quelque chose? Est-ce que tu poses des questions quand tu ne comprends pas quelque chose? So, poser une question. Always. Never demander une question. Don't say that. Now, se poser une question. The use is the exact same with the reflexive verb se poser. It's a little bit more specific since it refers to the subject. So, se poser une question, to ask yourself a question. Est-ce que tu sais s'il est arrivé à l'hôtel? Non, mais je me posais justement la question. Est-ce que tu sais s'il est arrivé à l'hôtel? Non, mais je me posais justement la question. The reflexive verb se poser is less common than the regular verb. We still use it in a very specific case like this one. This was a very short lesson. I hope it helped you. Let me know if there's any other verbs or any other words that you would like me to clarify for you, and I will gladly do so. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next Wednesday for a new lesson. À mercredi prochain.